Starting to invest with little money is entirely possible and can be done by leveraging modern financial tools and strategies. One of the easiest ways to begin is by using micro-investing platforms or apps that allow you to invest small amounts, even as little as a few dollars. These platforms often allow you to purchase fractional shares of stocks or ETFs, meaning you don't need to have hundreds or thousands of dollars to own a piece of major companies. Additionally, many of these apps offer roundup features where they round up your daily purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change automatically, making it easy to build your portfolio over time without needing to actively manage it. Another option is to focus on index funds or ETFs, which are low-cost and diversified investments that track the performance of a market index like the S&P 500. These funds are ideal for beginners because they spread your investment across many companies, reducing risk. You can start with a small amount and add to it regularly, benefiting from dollar-cost averaging, where you invest the same amount at regular intervals regardless of market conditions. Over time, this strategy can lead to significant growth as your contributions compound, proving that even small investments can build substantial wealth when done consistently.